I want to make a jackzebra beat. So let's pull up SoundCloud. I'll show you. Dude, just look at this mixtape. There's like 33 songs on it. This guy is literally so versatile. So many different like singing styles, different like style cadence. And yeah, just heaps of different type beats. This came out in February. This one was really cool as well. Oh, I clicked on the wrong. All these beats by Thrax, man, that was just crazy. This one came out last year. 35 songs on it. And not only did he put that out, there's also another album. So yeah, it's been kind of like the jackzebra effect. To be honest, I was a little bit late to the train or whatever. This came out. Was it this one? I can't remember, but Safisha or like Sophomet, I don't know. Sophomet. I'm not sure how to say the name. Really great producer. Brought out a single around this time, September 2024, and it had like some artwork that was very similar to this, maybe by the same artist. Anyway, so that's around the time that I got into jackzebra. Then this came out a bit later, which was the full album, and then I really got into this. And then this year, Above and Beyond, this came out. But there's so much that you can just like binge listen to, which I love. My internet's so slow right now. So yeah, and then like I've been getting like even deeper into it. You kind of like find your favorite songs. Like this one's a really one of my favorite songs. Then I just like to go into the lyrics and Google Translate them. I think just because it's being translated from Chinese to English is just something really nice about it. But it's just like poetry, you know. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna make a jackzebra type beat, or at least we're gonna try. I made this loop the other day using Reason. Yes, some people may be confused because Reason is a DAW, but this is actually a plugin, and I'll go further into it in a future video. But these are like all of the Reason synths, so you can use any of the Reason synths like VSTs and effects in any DAW, which is pretty crazy. So it's kind of like guitar rig because we've got this polytone is a synthesizer, and then underneath it, I've got this Ripley, which is a second device, which is a delay, and it has a built-in reverb as well. So I thought that was pretty cool. Then I like layered this piano, which was a Triton, classic piano in Triton, and then I put this effect on it, just a duplicate of the same device, the like delay reverb device, just to keep it consistent. So this melody plays over the top. Low-key like Skrillex sounding, what I was going for when I was making it. I thought it was pretty cool. And then I just resampled that, so I bounced that into audio, which was this. And then I resampled it, reversed it, and it sounded like this. Which when I played this back today, I was like, hell yeah, I can make a jackzebra beat with this, I reckon. And then I got the idea for this video. I'm gonna put some like blade style drums on this, because this is another one of my favorite songs, if I can find it. Yeah, this one. I'm sorry. Which I have no idea, but this actually sounds like a blade sample. The melody sounds like it's resampled. I'm not sure. But if anyone knows, I'm sorry. I could be completely wrong, but it sounds like a blade song. It sounds like the melody's been resampled. So if anyone actually knows that, let me know, because it's driving me crazy. I'm just thinking I could probably do some type of like plug style lead. Might even just pull out purity. Just resample this and give it a try.